My name is Dorothy Martin. I'm a retired professor from Lorraine County Community College in Elyria, Ohio. And all my professional career time, I've tried to provide housing for people who wanted to turn their life around, have an opportunity to have a place to live that's decent. And I am now 80, and I finally decided to retire from my retirement. But I still want to leave good houses and leave the neighborhood in good shape. So I'm still fixing houses.
Slate roof, it was like 60 years old. Slate is something like that's a little niche, like where it's hard to repair, right? So came out and she had leaks all over the place. Just some rotted wood also, and no insulation up there either. So like the insulation wouldn't be absorbing anything. It's just all coming straight into the home. And she had told us that the plans for the home was for people coming out of prison to have a safe place to go, and people coming out of rehabilitation centers to have a safe, clean environment. So, I mean, I think that was like, it's a no-brainer, because just simply based off of who Miss Dorothy is as a person, kind of embodies what we look for in, potential give back candidates, right? Gives back to the community, and she's not in it for any monetary gain, right? She does it just out of the goodness of her heart, because people like that need a safe place to be, and there's not many places, that offer places like that. So, and I was like, man, we gotta. She definitely embodies what it is that Victor's is all about, and she's constantly giving, and like, hey, why can't we give her a hand, help her out this time around? And man, when I told her, she was just she didn't believe me at first, because that's like that's what generally happens. There's disbelief, a little bit of tear shedding.
Some of the support staff. I can't say enough that this is wonderful, and I appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. And I thank you so much for what's been done. And this will be a better job than I ever could have dreamed of. I thank you again very much.